Have you ever thought about starting an online business, but you are not sure if it was real? Are you afraid it's too late, too hard, or that you need a lot of money to start? Or maybe you have that online business easy money, just post and get paid. In today's video, you are going to learn about the 5 biggest myths that stop first-time mom from starting their online business and the truth that can help you finally take action. Well, I'm a registered nurse with over 3 years experience working in pediatric unit. I started content creation as a complete beginner, teaching women about maternal, labor, maternal and child health, breastfeeding, labor, breastfeeding, newborn care, all in simple English for Arewa community. I had zero confidence, zero equipment, and zero audience. But today I have built my presence online, so I know exactly what it takes to start from the scratch. And what may hold us back? Stay tuned. That's what makes me remember when I wanted to start my online business. I wanted to start my online business and share what I know with first-time moms, but I thought I have to have a perfect camera, I have the expensive jets, and I have to have flawless English. So I waited and watched others do it. Then one day I realized that if I keep waiting, I will be stuck. I will stay stuck. So I started to messy. No makeup, no mic, no ring light, just my phone and my voice. And guess what? The more I showed up, the more people feel connected with me. So now, I'm here to help you break through those myths and start strong. The myth number one. You need a lot of money to start. The truth is, you only need your smartphone and internet to start, because so many apps now are free. Like you have free Canva, you have free CapCut, you have free social media to post like YouTube. So many successful business started with zero budget. If they could do it, the myth number two, you have to be an expert before you teach online or start creating content or to be a business expert. But the truth is, you just need to be one step ahead of your audience. If you knew one step ahead of your audience, share what you know, document your journey. Even if you are in learning stage, learning how to do video editing, you can carry your audience with you. You will learn together. You can connect with people. People connect with real stories, not just perfect expert or something like that. That makes me remember when I started, I don't know more about how to edit the video. I don't know about color grading. I don't know how to do animation, this and that. But I just have the confidence that I want to share that message and I must do it. Anyhow, I will learn in the process, but I will not continue to stay without starting. That's the bold step that I take that changed my entire life now. Some they even say that you have to be techy before you start online business or start creating content or something like that. But the truth is, most of the tools nowadays are drag and drop. One click, or you learn by watching simple YouTube tutorials, just like you are doing right now. You are watching my YouTube channel because you want to learn about pregnancy, you want to learn about postpartum care, you want to know how to breastfeed, or want to know how to do that. Even me, I started with this because I used to watch simple tutorial on how to use InShot. I learned the process. I am now executing it and I'm benefiting from it because it makes me what I am today. The myth number 4. Many people think that you need to go viral before you start making money. But the truth is you can start money immediately when you start your online, but you need to put the hard work, you need to be logical, and you need to be smarter. You only need a small engaged audience to start earning money. For example, brand love needs creators that who talk to a specific group. Like my channel, I used to talk to people, mothers, like first time moms in Arewa, Nigeria, specifically for Arewa community. So when a brand look into my channel, they will say, this creator is teaching specific set of groups, then I think we would love to work with her. Even before you took partner monetization or something like that, you can start earning money, but you don't know. So just start and take that first step. The myth number 5, and is your last one, is wedding planning or something like that. You are unique, you will attract your own audience. Some may even understand your own better than. So how can I beat my competition? It's very important to compete with any other. You take that one step and do anything with you need to just start doing it. The best time to start is yesterday, and the right time to start is now. So internet is growing and there is room for everybody, because everybody is unique. You have the unique thing that someone needs to learn from you. You are unique. So why are you marginalizing yourself or making yourself feel insecure or something like that? For example, if let's say that you just plan your wedding and engagement or something like that. So and when you come to maybe you watch it's about being video about how to plan your wedding and you watch and you need to stop you from taking that. And you think that since that person is creating that kind of content, there is nobody will thank you. Will watch your own, because you don't because there are so many. If you are shy or unsure about